Hello everyone. Actually, today I'm going to make a small, beautiful video. Actually, this is one of my students' request. John, I have some problem. Okay, I'd like to solve this problem. Okay. Can we start now? Okay. The step number one is we want to create one firefighting project. Okay, this is the project end result. It look like this. Okay. So what we'll do is first click new. Okay, go to browse. We want to load the project is an metric project, okay, in millimeters. So click system, click open and say okay. So it takes some time for loading. Okay, once the project has been loaded, okay, the template, let's say, okay, what we will do is we want to create, now here HVAC is there, isn't it? We want to create firefighting. Okay, so instead of HVAC we would like to have it firefighting. Okay, and the ceiling 1, ceiling 2. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's just close this. Okay, so what I'll do is ceiling, no? Okay, just right click and duplicate. Okay, again right click, duplicate. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so the ceiling 1, ceiling 2. Okay, excellent. Okay, now let's say this is there. Okay, now what we'll do is we will link the architectural file. Okay, click insert, link architectural file. Go to the folder. Where is it? Okay, I just kept it here. Excellent. Okay, I think better to keep manual origin to origin. Okay, in this case only. Okay, click OK, and then what I'll do is I'll just keep it. The trick here, I'm going to keep it. Okay, the thing is, okay, this looks good. Keep it between the elevation markers. Okay, sometimes he is playing with you, doesn't matter. Just come here and then move it. Okay, make sure the project is between these elevation markers. Okay, just keep them out. Okay, this is here, and then I'll have some problem with this. Not so. Okay, what I can do is I can just click here down, prevent linking, no, selecting of the link. Okay, so far so good. Okay, this is good. Okay, then now what we will do is, okay, we want to make now this is called discipline. Okay, this is called the sub discipline. Okay, instead of HVAC we would like to have it firefighting. Okay, so what we'll do, select the view, right click, apply template properties, click this. Okay, beautiful. Okay, then click mechanical ceiling. Okay, see, discipline is mechanical. This is what we want. Excellent. But sub-discipline, we do not want it to be HVAC. We want to make it firefighting. So type FF or whatever the short form. Okay, or write full form. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, click OK. Now what you will see is when I click OK, you will see there will be one more sub-discipline called FF. Okay, that is firefighting, and this will go under that when I click OK. Okay, so far so good. Okay, isn't it? So same process you can repeat here. Right click, apply template properties, and say okay, you're welcome there, and then you click firefighting. Okay, things looks very good. Excellent. Okay, now what we'll do, we will link the AutoCAD file, because the AutoCAD file, the firefighting layout is in the AutoCAD file. So click link AutoCAD, and then I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Anyway, okay, click black and white, it doesn't matter. All the layers, yes. Manual origin, I think everything looks good. Current view only. Okay, click open. Okay, excellent. Okay, so what I'll do is generally I keep it in the side. Okay, you'll understand why. Just click this error. Okay, so this is what the Revit file. This is the AutoCAD file. Okay, beautiful. DWG. Okay, no worries. Type VG, go to the imported categories, and what I'll do, select all, make sure just visual color, make it a red color. The thing will make life easy, isn't it? This is black, this is red. Okay, excellent. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to align these two together, isn't it? Both are of the same project, isn't it? Okay, type AL from the keyboard. Okay, come to here, this end, and then come here. Similarly, here and here. Okay, I think this is perfect now. Okay, then double click VG. That's not required VG. Okay, now what I do is I'll hide these elevation markers. VG, annotation, type E, go and find your friend elevation and say thank you for coming. Okay, now what I'll do is I like to add the sprinklers. Okay, so let me do some cleaning up. Okay, I need to know which layer is this sprinkler in. Okay, one option would be go and open the AutoCAD file and or call the AutoCAD person who's drawn this AutoCAD layout, tell him, Habibi, which layer is this sprinkler. Okay, or use something, an alien trick, click this drawing. Okay, not the Revit file, the drawing. Okay, how do I click the okay, listen. Okay, no worries. Okay, press tab, you will able to click the drawing. This is the DWG file, isn't it? Go to query and see which layer this drawing is in. This sprinklers are in 00 sprinkler. The layer is 00 sprinkler. Excellent. Okay, now what I'll do is type VG. Go to the imported category, this and this, and say invert. Okay, and say adios. Click apply, click OK. Now the sprinklers are there. Sprinklers from the AutoCAD file. So I just focus on sprinklers now. Okay, go to the system tab. Okay, call your friend sprinkler. Beautiful. Okay, good practice to know the elevation of the ceiling. Okay, what I'll do, go to the, I think it's not clear, align dimensions on the quick access toolbar. Okay, click that. Click spot elevation. Okay, 2600. So our sprinklers must be at 2600, isn't it, on the ceiling? Okay, go to your friend system tab, click sprinkler. This type of sprinkler we want. Click place on face. Okay, beautiful. And then click here. Okay, excellent. Okay, you can keep placing them around the. Okay, then what you'll do, go to the section tab. Okay, sorry, quick access toolbar, click section and say okay, right click, go to view. Okay, you can see the sprinklers here. Okay, this is one of my students' doubt. John, you know what, I will not able to see the section view. I hope now the procedure is clear. I hope I answered his question. Okay, we shall continue this class some other day. Okay, hope everybody enjoy this class. See you fresh and energized in the next class. Yalla, bye.